Hey everybody, I'm Montana, and on today's episode of Montana on the Move, we're going to talk about something that's literally beneath us every step of the way: soil. As I've been on the move around the world, soil has been my foundation. While it's always there, the type of foundation I need is different whether I'm hiking on a trail, crossing a bridge, driving on a road, or landing in a plane. But here's the thing. Not all soil is naturally strong enough to support roads, bridges, or buildings. When we decide where we want to build something, whether it's a road, a house, or a runway, sometimes the soil on site will work fine, but other times it needs a little help. Sometimes just compacting the existing soil or rock does the trick. Other times we need to mix in additives like hydrated lime, cement, emulsified asphalt, or even byproducts from other industries. These materials increase strength, reduce volume change, and make the soil more reliable. Engineers are even learning how to stabilize soils using microbes and bacteria. Now that we've talked about how we make soil stronger, how do we know we've done a good job? Let's learn how to check that using a tool developed right here in Mississippi. This is the plastic mold, or PM device, described in AASHTO R120. This device is portable, reliable, and only takes a few minutes to use in the lab or at a construction site. In the lab, we use the PM device to measure design properties, and at the construction site, we use the same device to make sure we built what we designed. Using this device, engineers and contractors get near real-time feedback to ensure quality during earthwork construction, and that means better infrastructure for all of us. To give you a visual of the feedback speed, I just loaded the PM device and other tools into our truck. And you're now watching another civil engineering alumnus, Kusal. He is producing a specimen with the PM device on an actual Mississippi DOT highway project. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but even if I did, it would be less than 5 minutes. If you want to watch a whole video of this process, I have one linked in the description below this video. Back in the lab, we are testing a specimen to make sure it meets our design. That one looked pretty good to me. I graduated from Mississippi State University with a degree in civil engineering, and I have always been proud of how this field builds our world, from the ground up. So next time you're on the move, just remember, soil is always beneath you. And with a little help from civil engineers and contractors, it becomes the foundation of everything we depend on. Hopefully this video will help you see just how important soil is and the role civil engineers and contractors play in using soil to produce infrastructure's foundations. Because without a good foundation, everything crumbles. And if you're looking for a career that society can build on, maybe it's time for you to consider civil engineering and construction. We're looking for passionate people like you, and Mississippi State is a great place to start.